The World card, in the past, karmic cycle, you were dealing with that. Something you were dealing with, like past people, past situations. It's the World card in reverse. You had trouble moving on, or someone had trouble moving on from you. The obstacle is someone didn't get their happily ever after with you, or you didn't get it with them, with the Ten of Cups in reverse. Current environment, or like early, around the 25th of that one, you may get a new offer, a new stable offer, a long-term offer, or beginning of a stable long-term offer with the Ace of Pentacles. What is coming towards you, outside environment, someone's feeling left out, they don't have enough. We'll clarify these. Once I clarify, it changes everything up. So stick with me. Like I said, I'll do a love reading. But someone is feeling like they're trapped or something. Someone is feeling like they don't have like they can't get to sleep at night. And it could be this outside person. But I also see like a new start happening. I did see someone was putting their swords down. Maybe someone's unblocking you. Or you want, like I said, unblock somebody. But I'm thinking someone may unblock you because they're feeling left out. Now let's go back to the beginning with the World card in reverse. I need 2 cards for that. Like I said, we'll do a love reading. This is just a short bonus reading to get you through, and then we'll start on Christmas, the December reading. Something wants to come out strength, regaining strength from a past karmic situation. So the World card and the strength. I need one more card that just popped out. Now give me 2 cards. Give me 2 cards for the World card in reverse and the strength card in the upright. 2 cards, please. If someone's working hard, taking a new leap of faith, could be with a past karmic situation, or maybe you're done with a karmic situation, you're trying to take a new leap of faith. Whatever it is, you're starting something new, you're working hard towards it, and you have the energy to do so. The obstacle is someone doesn't feel like they got their Ten of Cups with you, or you don't feel like you got your Ten of Cups. So I need 2 cards for the Happily Ever After card. Someone's trying to obtain that, and they're having trouble doing so. So, like I said, 2 cards, please, for the Ten of Cups in reverse for Scorpio. Could have to do with a fire sign, outside person, yes. King of Wands in reverse, Queen of Wands in reverse. Someone is going back and forth thinking about you, and it's got them kind of upset, and they're trying to get themselves together. I don't see them as horrible people. I just see them a little put out and disturbed about how to get their Ten of Cups with you. And they feel like they can't achieve it. They think one minute they can, and the next minute it just goes all up in smoke, But you got a new stable beginning coming up. It's a nice, Ace of Pentacles is a good card. It's about, long-term stability. Long-term new starts that's going to pan out, So the Ace of Pentacles, I need 2 cards, please. 2 cards for Scorpio. You're getting communications in. You're kind of out of it, though, for some reason. You're kind of feeling like, I don't want to say emotional. I'm thinking that you feel like you don't trust the situation. You feel like you're not ready for it. But get ready for whatever's coming in, because you're getting the communications of a new offer, a new stable offer. But someone on the outside of you or around you does not feel like they're getting what they want from you. Like they feel like you're going to leave them out in the cold. So I'm thinking, for some of you, or a lot of you, are going on to something new and stable, and other people around you feel like you won't be there for them when you do. So I need 2 cards for the 5 of Pentacles in the upright, coming towards Scorpio. At least 2 cards, please. So someone definitely feeling left out with you. Yeah, they're feeling left out because you are moving on. You're moving on slowly, but you're moving on. Because this is a person or the situation that's feeling left out. Why are they feeling left out? Because you're moving on, you're gaining independence, you're having more gain in your life with the 9 of Pentacles in the upright. Now, in the end, we have a little bit of anxiety. Someone's not sleeping at night. I don't know if this is you or the next person or the person that's on the outside, but I need 2 cards for this. 2 cards for Scorpio. 9 of Swords. Queen of Swords in reverse. Ace of Cups. Yeah, someone wants a new start with you. They want to offer you something that's something you love, something that's not passionate, something you love, something that's caring, gifts. But it's coming from the Queen of Swords, and the Queen of Swords is in reverse. And sometimes when the Queen of Swords tries to express themselves, it comes out kind of wrong, or it's not well accepted by you. But I think this person is the one having nightmare situations where they can't sleep, or maybe you can't sleep because this person is going to come towards you and say, I know you're getting this new life, you're getting this new start. It's going to bring in money. Maybe you even travel, some of you, with that Eight of Wands. That's it's communications and travel, either or. And this person may offer you something. For some of you, it's going to give you a sleepless night because they're upset. They want to offer you something and you need to go what you got to do. Or it could be that you're not really accepting a lot of these new offers from outside people because you are you are accepting something. You're going for something new. But other people that want to do stuff with you that will not include them into your new life may get upset, and they may make you an offer, or they may want to make you an offer, and they don't know how. They're getting upset, and it's got them upset. And that could be why the Queen of Swords is in reverse, because they don't know how to present that Ace of Cups. Or maybe you reject them in some way. But it's like you can't accept this offer from this person, emotional offer, because you got a stable offer, a new beginning coming in. And that's the way I see it, that, Scorpio got money and stability coming in. Now I'm going to give a 3 love card reading for Scorpio. 3 cards for Scorpio. It says make an effort. Maybe, because I don't see the person at the end. I think they're thinking about it, or you're thinking about it, but someone doesn't make the effort. This says make the effort on something. We'll find out what it is. I don't know if it means about your job or with them. Or maybe it's talking to them. It's safe for you to love this person that wants to offer you something, even though you're going for a new stable beginning and kind of leaving people out feeling like they're not important enough, or where they could be part of it. It says it's safe for you to love, make an effort to love. Maybe it's somebody else. This could be either taken off from this reading or a completely, totally different reading. So it says make an effort to love, and it's safe for you to love again. And heal family issues that are occurring. So this could be from somebody, like I said, on the outside. It's going to feel a little left out when you start your new stable beginning. And they want to offer you something. They don't know how. Something's keeping them up late at night. And they can't sleep. And, they need to calm down because they feel like you're not going to be for them when you take off in your new situation, your stable situation. And like I said, some of you may be traveling. Not necessarily, it could be, like I said, communications going back and forth. But oftentimes that does involve traveling a little bit. So go ahead and make the effort to talk to this person if you want to. Because it's safe for you to do so. You'll heal an issue that you have with this person if it relates to this, okay? If it's something new coming in and someone wants to offer you something, go for it. It's safe to do so. And, you can actually heal yourself. By doing so, taking this offer. I have talked to other Scorpios online that watch my videos, and they're saying, like, I'm not accepting love anymore. I just want what I want in life and, financial security. And I see a lot of that. I see that with the Ace of Pentacles now. But just realize that somebody does want a new start, and it's up to you whether you accept it or not. It's there for the taking if you want it, okay? I'm going to let that go, and I will talk to you later. Bye.